Hello, friends. Welcome back to the world of knowledge. Today, we are going to learn some useful kitchen action verbs, words that we use every day while cooking, cleaning, and preparing food. We will learn them in English with Urdu meanings. So, let's begin.
Cook,
Cook, pakana,
boil,
boil, balna,
cook in hot water. Boil,
fry, thelna,
cook in hot oil. Bake,
bake, senkna,
cook in the oven. Cut,
cut, kaatna,
chop,
chop, barik kaatna,
cut food into small pieces. Clean,
clean, साफ करना,
peel,
peel, छीलना,
wash,
wash, धोना,
slice,
slice, mix, mix, mix करना, मिलाना, open, open, खोलना, heat, heat, गरम करना, close, close, बंद करना, drink, drink, पीना, eat, eat, खाना, stare, stare, हिलाना, stare,
pour, pour,
अंडेलना, taste, taste, चखना, serve, serve, पेश करना. Great job! You have just learned 30 useful kitchen action verbs in English and with Urdu meanings.